This
Start the
conference
recording.
will now be recorded.
Did you get a chance to go to the test
Yeah.
cases?
Oh, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Completely fine.
The
Yeah.
steps there
Yeah.
are
All the
certain,
things are fine. Yeah. Now it's completely
but
fine.
there are certain points where I was not sure what to write. Have you seen those, the red ones in
Yes.
the
Yes.
Gmail?
Yes. Just a moment.
Can we
Just a
go
moment.
through those first, please?
Yeah. Just a moment. Yes. Yeah. That's completely fine. Yes. That is also completely fine. Yes. Yes. That's completely fine. Shefali, on call.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I was asking when I say please verify that the password cannot be copy and pasted. So what should be the
Yeah.
input data for that?
Password. URL of the application.
Sorry,
URL of the
that's it.
application. Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
And prerequisite for reopening the browser once user close it.
Okay. Browser should be installed.
Now I have opened the browser. I'm
Hmm.
using it, and
Hmm.
I've logged in, and I have closed it.
Hmm.
So now I'm gonna reopen it again.
Hmm.
What should be the
You can do one thing.
prerequisite for that?
Clear the clear the cookies and cache.
No, you're not getting me. So what is the point is when, for example, I have logged into my Gmail, right? I've
Hmm.
opened my inbox, and
Hmm.
I have checked some few email, and I closed it. So
Okay.
an hour later, I came back and I opened the Gmail again, and I don't have to log in again. I can find my inbox open.
Okay. You can verify browser version should not change.
Oh, okay.
Something like that. Right? So check the browser
And
version.
okay. And what should be the input data for checkboxes?
Check boxes.
Yeah, if there are any check boxes in the app, what should be the input data for
No, there is no input data,
verifying
any
code?
input data. There is no any input data.
No,
Yeah.
so we have to leave that space empty.
Or you can do one thing. Let's suppose there are some check boxes and with item 1, item 2, item 3, for example, there are some item in the check boxes, right? Now
Mm-hmm.
input data will be mm, input data. In this case, that is a prerequisite. Prerequisite means like all the items should be there in the,
As per requirements.
yes, in the checkboxes. There is no input data.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. We can start now.
And would you click on the Gmail tab, please?
Yes.
Is it? Okay, Gmail one. Yeah. If you go down, I got confused uh, at few points. Yeah. So yeah, verified if there is a checkbox with the label remember password on the login page. So there should be no input data.
Verify if there is a checkbox with the label remember password on the displayed. Yes, no input data.
Okay. And home page should be displayed. Oh, we got it. Can you please go down more down, please? Yeah. So mouse hover cursor is can we can use this as input data. So the
Which
thing
one?
is,
Which one?
when we move, go up, please. Put it in red in the registration. Up, 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 up.
This one?
No, it's yeah, this one. Mouse hover cursor. Can you
Mhm.
see red one here? Yeah. So the
No
description
input
here
data.
is
No input data. No input data for this as well.
okay. Put data
I think
and
now the things are fine here. Like the way of writing and the way of like understanding and the way of thinking. All the things are fine now.
so where I get confused is whether I should club everything in one point or I should take separate points for the.
Separate points. Separate points.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
things are fine. Totally fine now.
Okay. Good.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we will discuss about test design techniques. So what are the test design techniques?
No idea.
What are the test design techniques? These are the techniques by which we can write the effective and efficient test cases. Basically, these are the techniques used for optimizing the condition. For example, if a button, if a if a there is a age column and that accept the value from 1 to from 0 to 100. So will we write 100 test cases for it? No,
Mm,
right? No, we will not. We will use the test design technique for writing the test cases. Clear?
yeah.
Now, just 1 minute. Just a minute. Yes. So we will use the what we will use?
Test design technique.
Yes. So I will share this book with you. There is a book. Yes, this one. So I'm sharing this as well. Some manual testing question and all. There are some stuff.
Ah, okay.
Right. Let me forward to Ria as well. Right. This is the book.
The Dorothy Graham.
Yeah. Yes. This is the document. This is the book. So here you can search test design techniques. Yes. So you can read this book like what is the benefit as I have mentioned you like the benefit of the test design technique. Everything is
Mm-hmm.
mentioned here, right? Now, just a minute. Yes. Now there are two techniques. There are two
Okay.
techniques. First one is static technique. Second one is Second one is,
Dynamic? I don't know.
yes, dynamic techniques. In static, we have, right? There are some techniques in
Mhm.
static. In dynamic, we have structure based, experience based, and third one, specification based. So there are two type of the test design techniques. First one, static. Second one, dynamic.
Dynamic.
In static techniques, we have, firstly, I'm discussing about dynamic techniques. In dynamic techniques, we have specification based,
Structure.
structure based, and third one,
Experience.
experience based. Now, inside specification based, we have BVA, boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning, decision table. Fourth one, state transition and state diagram. Fifth one, use case testing. Right. So today we will discuss about which techniques.
Specification based techniques.
Okay. Just 1 minute. 1 minute रुकना please.
Sure.
Yes. So BVA. What BVA technique says? We will test the things on the boundary. Things on the boundary. As I have told you, like there is a age column that can accept value between 1 to 100. Now, if we are using BVA technique, then the below test case will be. Then there will be following test cases. First one, to test on 100. Negative boundary 0 and 101. How many test cases we have written?
4.
Only 4. And this is the benefit of which technique?
BBA.
BVA. Now BVA come under in which technique?
Specification based.
Yes, exactly. And specification based come
Dynamic.
exactly. Both अच्छे. Right now, EP, equivalence partitioning. Equivalence partitioning says we will make the partition. We will make the partition. Right? We will make the partition. Let me show. I will share this book. You can follow this book as well, right?
Yeah.
Let's suppose we have a, just a moment. For example, we have a saving account and bank gives the interest rate. Now, if the balance is 0 to $100, then interest will be 3%, right? A balance over $100 and up to 1000 has a 5% interest rate, and balance of 1000 and over having a 7% interest rate. Now, what we will do? We will make some partition. First 0 to 100, second 100 to 999.99, and next one
One
up to
level above, up to 1,000.
yes, right. Now how many test cases you have to? First one invalid partition and valid partition. After that, now how many test cases we have to take? We can pick a single value from each partition and we can test on that,
Okay.
right? Things are clear.
Yeah.
Now third technique, which is the third one.
Use case based, no, decision tables.
Yes, decision table. Now decision table says that based, as of now, how many inputs we are taking? We are taking only single input,
Four.
right? a
Yeah.
single a single input. Now
Okay.
decision table says if we have multiple inputs, then based upon those input there will be the corresponding action. uh, do you know about the truth table?
I think we have read it. I have studied it in my college. Truth table.
Yes,
True,
0
false,
0.
0, 1 values, right?
Yes, 0 1,
I don't remember it
1
clearly,
0,
but
1 1.
yeah.
If there are two inputs, then if there are three inputs, 2 raised to power 0 1, 2 raised to power
1,
1 2, 2 raised to power
yeah,
2 4. Now
4,
if input is 0, then all will be false. If 1 2
4.
3,
I don't remember this.
2 plus 1, mark that true. Right now 4, in case of 4, then
4. All true?
no, 1 0 0. 5 1 0 1.
I have
6
no I have no clue how are you doing this if I've forgotten it.
6 6 का मतलब 6 का मतलब ये देखो 4 plus 2,
6.
देन हमने किसको ट्रू करा?
4 और 2 को.
यस,
Oh.
7
All true?
एग्जैक्टली। 4 के केस में देखो आप किसको ट्रू करा?
Only 4, 1.
ओनली 4. एनी क्वेश्चन?
I'm just consuming it. Sorry,
यस,
give me 2 minutes, please.
दैट्स फाइन.
0, 1. So why we have taken till 2 raised to power 2 only? Why didn't we take 2 raised to power 3?
If we have 4 inputs, then maximum possibility can be 0 to
4. 0 to. You're
15.
talking about your
Means 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 15. Now 2 raised to power 0 1, 2 raised to power 1 2, 2 raised to power 2 4, 2 raised to power 3 8. What is the maximum possibility? Can be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. Now it's clear.
Yeah.
अगर इनपुट 3 होंगी तो मैक्सिमम कितना हो सकता है? मैक्सिमम कितना होता है? 0 to 7,
Yeah.
right? 7 means 1 2 4, right?
That will
8
be the
8
best possible.
8 we can't cover here, right? Or still doubt?
I think I have to study it more. I'm not able to take it. I don't know. It's not able to
अगर
understand.
अगर अगर 3 इनपुट आती हैं तो 3 इनपुट का मतलब 2 रेज टू पावर 0, 2 रेज टू पावर 1, 2 रेज टू पावर 2,
It's power two, right?
1 2 4। अब 4, अब आप इसमें देखोगे हम जो मैक्सिमम कवर कर सकते हैं 7 तक कर सकते हैं, 0 से लेके।
Yeah.
ऐसे ही अगर 4 इनपुट होती, 4 इनपुट्स होती, 2 रेज टू पावर 0, 2 रेज टू पावर 1, 2 रेज टू पावर 2, 2 रेज टू पावर 3, मैक्सिमम कहां तक कवर कर सकते हैं इसमें?
15.
15 तक।
ठीक.
नाउ क्लियर? चलो अब जाते हैं यहाँ पे। अगर 2 इनपुट हैं तो कितने मैक्सिमम वो बन सकते हैं उसके?
अगर 2
पॉसिबिलिटी,
इनपुट,
हाँ जी।
2
इफ 2
raised power
इनपुट,
0, 2 raised power 1, 2,
2 रेज टू पावर 0 1,
1,
2
3.
रेज टू पावर 2 3, तो 0 1 2 3,
Yeah.
0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, राइट?
Yeah.
अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 इनपुट्स हैं, राइट? हमारे पास कितने इनपुट्स हैं? 2 इनपुट्स हैं। चलो यहाँ पे एक बार पहले ये स्टेटमेंट करते हैं। एक मिनट रुको, ये नहीं, एक मिनट रुकना। हाँ, एक बार ये वाला एग्जांपल देखते हैं। लेट्स लुक एट अनदर एग्जांपल। इफ यू आर ए न्यू कस्टमर opening a credit card account, you will get a discount. How much?
15%.
15%. 15%.
Yeah.
If you are a existing customer, then
10%.
10%. If you have a coupon,
20%.
20%. Right? How many condition we have? New
3.
customer, yes. New customer, existing customer with loyalty card, and third one is coupon. How many condition we have total? 2 raised to power
3.
2 raised
2
to power
raised
3,
power.
then 8.
Yeah.
8 condition. Rule number
Yeah.
1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, rule number, you can see when we have 3 conditions, in first case all will be
0.
0. So 0 0 0 0, false false false. Next,
Oh, so rule 8 is for 0.
yes.
Okay.
वैसे भी कर सकते हो आप, इस साइड भी कर सकते हो, वो कोई इशू नहीं है। एंड
Mhm.
रूल नंबर 7,
Only one is true.
नेक्स्ट,
Middle one is true. Second value is true.
false false true false. Next one,
Yeah.
false true true, true
Yeah.
false false, true false true, true true false, and last one is all true. Now action. If all are false, how much discount we will get?
0.
Right? If coupon is true and rest are false, then
20%.
if loyalty card is true, that and rest are false.
10%.
Next one,
And
if
only
new customer,
loyalty. Yeah, 15%.
loyalty card and coupon both are true.
Then I didn't read.
Loyalty card plus
Added,
coupon,
added. Yeah, 30.
30. Next one,
Rule number 4. New customer, 15%.
right? And
Yeah.
next, new customer and loyalty.
Added.
Is it possible? New customer and loyalty,
No.
right? Next one,
And all cannot be true. Yeah.
right? So this is which thing? Decision table.
Yeah.
Next one, next one. Which technique? State
Mhm.
transition.
State
State
transition.
transition says, for example, when you are moving from one state to another state, there will be a transition. How? For example, when you enter the card in the ATM, what, what will be the next state?
Pin generation. Enter pin. Yeah.
Yes, enter pin and wait
Mm.
for pin. Then, if
If
you are
it's
entering first try, yes, first try. If you are
if
entering
it
correct
if
pin,
it's
then access to account. If
yeah.
pin is not okay, then second try.
Second, yeah.
After second try,
If pin is okay, access to account. Otherwise, third try. If pin is not okay, then block the card.
yes. So this is state transition. Now state table. Again, same thing. Start state, wait for pin, first try invalid, second try invalid, third try invalid, access account, and eat card. Insert card, valid pin, invalid pin. Start state. When you will when you will start when you will insert your ATM, what will be the next state? S2?
Pin. Enter pin.
Yes. And in the wait for pin, you have, if you are entering the valid pin, then
Access. Account access.
S6.
Yeah.
If you are entering the invalid pin, then
Next try. Second try.
yes.
S4.
If you are entering, right, S6, S5, this
Third
is
pin.
yes. In third try, we have again invalid
Access
pin.
or block.
Yes, right. Use case testing. We have discussed about the use case.
Yeah.
The same thing is come under which technique? Now
Dynamic.
we have test design techniques. We have dynamic techniques. We have which technique?
Specification. Paste. Decision
Right,
tables. Yeah.
right. So today, what is for you? You need to do the practice of the. You have to search some question on BVA and equivalence partitioning. In most of the interview, if there is some written paper, you will find the question related to these two things. BVA and second one,
Equivalence partitioning. Okay.
yes,
ठीक है.
right. So today you have to do the practice of these things, right? I think like There are lots of questions related to BVA, and one more thing, you have to go through that book as well. I have shared the book with you.
Sure.
Any doubt?
No.
Right?
I think I need to know more about this
Yes,
decision
yes,
table.
yes, yes. Like what I will say, yeah, basically we will do at least 2 to 3 session more, at least. After that, we will go for the automation.
Oh, so do you mean like are we gonna complete this manual testing now?
Yes, exactly. After that, we will move to the automation.
There's nothing to learn more about it. It's finished.
No, no, there are some more topics like test design technique. There are some more techniques pending,
That will
and
take
at
only
least,
3 days.
yeah, yeah, 3 session,
Okay.
three or max to max four,
Okay.
right? Although you can discuss, let's suppose if you are if you are learning the manual side by side, if you are doing some, like you are exploring the things some more related to manual, and if you have some doubts, then you can discuss during your automation session as well,
Sure.
right? You can discuss that time as well.
Sure.
Okay, I will upload this recording in some time,
Yeah,
right?
and if you stop the recording, I have to say something.